Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as the title suggests, this vlog is gonna be about Vasota Fort trek. We left Kolhapur at around 2 p.m. to reach Bamnoli village where we had our base camp. So basically, Vasota Fort falls in the region of Satara. We had our base camp in Bamnoli village, which is close to Satara, that is located on the banks of Shiv Sagar Lake, which is formed by Koina Dam. This trek was organized by Rananiti Adventure and we were 33 people in a group. There were total 13 tents for us, and all the arrangement of these tents and all our meals was done by Mr. Narayan Sarunke, which is the owner of this Vasota Koina Agro Resort. After having a nice dinner, there was an arrangement of my favorite campfire. There we had a really nice conversation with our new friends, and of course we also played Antakshari.
रहने दो छोड़ो भी जाने दो यार हम ना करेंगे प्यार
Exhaust on a sunny day. trek is of easy to moderate level. There were people of all age groups. Also, there were senior citizens and kids too. So, any one of you can do this trek. So this way leads to the Nageshwar Surka trek, which is a bit challenging and which takes a little more time than the actual Vasota fort trek. And the another way goes to the Vasota fort. You can choose between Vasota fort trek or the Nageshwar Surka trek. And undoubtedly we were leading to Vasota fort. So after a nice trek in a dense jungle, there was a time to climb the remaining mountain with hot sun on our heads. This part of trek was a bit steeper than the previous part. So that was the lake from where we started our trek, and we had come a long way up there. As soon as you finish climbing up the mountain, you can see people selling buttermilk and lemon water. And from here, the Vasota fort area starts. At the time of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, this Vasota fort was used as jail for the enemies because of the dense forest around the fort. And this is the summit, the peak of Vasota fort. And here I got my certificate for completing the Vasota fort trek. After having our parcel lunch, we started descending the fort and moving back to our boat. This was the sound of insects making noise. Here is a natural sweet water pond from where you can take this water to drink. You can see how crystal clear it is. And finally, we were done with our trek. It took around 2 hours to climb the mountain and 1 hour to come down. And after that, it was our journey back to Kolhapur. I hope you all loved the video. If yes, then hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then do subscribe. Thank you.